Hi, I'm Mick, an editor at Electronic Specifier. I'm here at Electronica with Dave Doherty, President and Digikey. And Dave, thanks for joining us. We're most of the way through 2018 now. How's the year been for Digikey?
2018, I think for the entire industry and for Digikey as well, it's just been a phenomenal, the best in the last 20 years. We're seeing good broad-based demand for the world, and particularly here in Europe as we're here at Electronica.
Okay. And any specific product areas, or is it across the board? Semiconductors I know has been going recently. Yeah.
Semiconductors, there's some tightening in some other area of passives, but I think what we're to see is just the broad-based new applications coming out. And, people can talk about IoT, been talking about IoT, but it's really starting to explode now with people wanting to connect everything, needing help with those sensors, talking to the processors and connecting it to, they can access it on their mobile or some other device.
Okay, and how are you addressing those markets?
What we're finding is that customers want more than just the physical hardware solutions, the components. So, for instance, on our website, if you look at the IoT solutions page, where customers go from ideas conception into getting that schematic and the design. So, trying to work that whole design chain, if you will.
Okay, and are there other areas where you've got focus?
Yeah, and I guess it's people may think that this is old news for Digikey. The number of new suppliers that we add, the number of new components, just since Electronica, since we talked 2 years ago here, we've added over 130 new suppliers, over 200,000 new parts. So the amount of technology that's covered on the website is greater.
Okay. Okay, and I know you announced probably last year an expansion of the warehouse facilities in Thief River Falls. How's that going?
It is coming along well. It's that expansion in Thief River, it'll more our capacity. It's a 1 million square foot footprint. I think that's 93 meters, if I get the translation right. But it'll allow us to bring more technology, more to, again, really service our end customers. They're doing the hard work with the design activity, changing our lives, and we just try to play a small role in that, in the supply chain to get them.
Okay, and just finally, how do you see 2019 panning out right now?
I always get a little nervous because as an industry, the one thing we do a terrible job at is forecasting. So broad-based activity, so we're bullish, and we'll see how some of the tariffs or somehow some of the other issues that are going on in our industry, do they slow down our momentum at all, or are we able to continue to break through? But we're bullish as it stands now.
Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you, it's been a pleasure.